Before you ever get a teeth cleaning at the dentist, your dental office should always have an updated perio chart on file for you. Here, you can see the clinician spot probing the posterior teeth with the periodontal probe. If you would like to learn more about the gum check and the measurements, I'll link my perio charting video in the bottom bar below. After they have decided which type of cleaning is best for you, based upon both your periodontal charting and your dental x-rays, they will start cleaning your teeth. Most of the time, first, they will use something called an ultrasonic scaler. The scaler, the regular scaler, or the scrapers, right? Those are also called hand instruments, and those hand instruments are usually used after the ultrasonic scaler, and we'll see those in just a bit. But until then, here, the ultrasonic scaler that you see, we're using it right now, it uses both high pressurized water and ultrasonic vibrations to help remove plaque, tartar, and stain from your teeth. And right now, you're watching the full backside of the tooth. We call it the lingual side. You just watched it. It's finishing up right now. Go from a stained tooth to a clean tooth. That was kind of cool, right? I think it was cool. Good visual. So let's watch another tooth go from stained to clean with some sound.
And then if you can turn towards me a little to the right.
I know sometimes it was maybe a little hard to see perfectly in the mirror because of the water droplets, but overall, pretty cool, right? So that same process will be done on all of the teeth, all surfaces, even where you don't literally see the stain. There can still be plaque and tartar that matches the tooth color. So when you're the dentist or the dental hygienist cleaning the teeth, you're able to feel for this tooth-colored plaque and tartar. Oftentimes, blowing air on the teeth helps a lot. It helps us to actually feel the grainy and clickable spots as well as see them a little better when the tooth is dry. If you ever wondered what the air does, I actually made a whole video about that. If you'd like to learn more, I'll link that one in the bottom bar below as well. But now you can kind of see how we're making our way back to the posterior teeth now, but it's super hard to keep the camera focused when we're trying to film all the way in back. So just know that all the teeth will be cleaned with the ultrasonic scaler. And next up, let's show you the hand instruments, also called the scalers, also called the scrapers or the scrapey things. Some patients like to say that. So we use these hand instruments to fine tune and get into all the little crevices and little spots that we might have missed, or it was too hard to reach with the ultrasonic scaler, or that we just simply need to smooth out because there's little grainy pieces of tartar still. So that's what we're doing with the scalers. Let's play a clip of everyone's favorite noise. Saying that was everyone's favorite noise was, of course, sarcastic. So funny to me. Lots of people actually say it's like nails on a chalkboard. However, there are some that don't mind it, or they'll tell me actually that they love the sound because it feels satisfying to them. So who knows? But having said that, I've had people actually say they love the scalers more than the ultrasonic because of the ultrasonic's high-pitched noise. If they had to pick, they would actually prefer scalers the whole time. But on the other hand, right, I've had patients say the exact opposite. They would love the ultrasonic scaler the whole time, all day, and wish the regular scalers didn't have to be used. And of course, there's patients that hate both sounds. But either way, it truly is making your teeth fresh and healthy. And by removing tartar, which is essentially bad bacteria sitting on your gums, using these instruments, whether they sound like music to your ears or not, they are bringing your gums back to health. So it's worth getting through it if it's something that doesn't sound great to you. And if it already sounds great to you, then more power to you. Lastly, if there's any residual stain, polishing is what will shine up and make your teeth sparkle again. Lots of offices will use the cup and paste, as you can see here, where you get to pick a flavor. And some offices will use an air polisher, which sprays out powder. Oftentimes it has a salty taste. Either way, after the polishing, they will floss and have you rinse, and your teeth will be good as new. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. And don't forget to check out my website, teethtalkgirl.com, if you'd like to learn more about all things teeth. Also, let me know in the comments below what type of videos you like. Do you like these procedural type videos, or do you like the educational videos more, or both? Peace, love, and teeth.